Hey guys, Mr. Menorah here. I wanted to reach out to my tinkercad class because we got something cool just recently that I wanted to offer you guys as a possible build. So if you look at this guy right here, it is a rectangular magnet. Now, this magnet is the key to making a really cool 3D print that hopefully you guys can put up on your fridge. So I'm going to share my screen with you and head over to tinkercad. So in tinkercad, I'm going to build myself a box. The box needs to be, let's say, 6 millimeters. Nah, let's make it 5 millimeters high. Okay. And then we're going to need the box to be 20 tall. That's good. And we're going to make it 26 long. Now we're going to flip the box to a hole. That's going to be where our little magnet front comes into place. The next thing we need to do is grab another box. Let me just check our measurements here. 20 by 26 by 5. Perfect. Okay. And what's our height? 5? Yeah. Excellent. 5 is good for a height too. The next thing we want to do is grab this guy, and we're going to make him magnet sized. Well, fridge magnet sized. So we're going to make this, we'll say 30. And we're going to make our length 100. And since the hole was 5, let's make this 6. Now, we're going to highlight everything. We're going to go to our alignment tool and center and center. Now I'm going to highlight everything again and group. Now, if we look at the bottom, you see a lovely hole just ready for that magnet I showed you at the beginning of the video. Now, a boring rectangle, probably not the best thing to put on a fridge, although if I printed it in white, you could color it. Well, that might be fun, but we're going to go a bit above that. So I'm pulling up my text, and I'm going to put my work plane right on top of that. And let's see, we don't want it to say text. I know. I want it to say Menorah. But let's see, saying Menorah by itself, I don't know. That's kind of boring. So let's adjust the word Menorah here. Right? So there's that. And we don't need the word Menorah to be 10 millimeters tall. So let's drop it to 4. That's much more manageable. Okay, so from here, I have the word Menorah. And I'm going to do a couple of things. If you play with this segment slider here, it kind of rounds out your words a little bit. So let's see. And this bevel. There we go. It looks like the internet's not playing nicely with me. Oh, because there's 2. Huh. All right, so let's delete that Menorah. I must hit Control D. All right, and let's bring my segments down a bit. I like that. That's a nice rounded letter. And let's see what happens. The bevel. I like that. That looks cool. Now I'm going to hit Control D because that's the style I really like. And instead of having it say Menorah, I'll do Menorah family. And they're both in that really cool kind of beveled style. And you know what? Let's center both. And let's see, this guy here, I like the spacing between them, but we gotta, there we go. And now that they're centered, I want to offset them a little bit. So I'm going to click on the Menorah, and I'm going to offset by hitting the left arrow key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to do the same thing with the family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And that's pretty much how it's going to look. I can highlight everything and group. All right, if I wanted to get real fancy, I could cut away some of this, but I think that magnet is going to look pretty cool. You know what? Just for fun, I'm going to ungroup, going to tap Menorah and family, and I'm going to drop it by holding control and hitting the down arrow once. Now you can kind of see it coming through the magnet, but it's the same height as that hole, so it'll be nice and good, and this actually looks like it's well attached. And that's how I'm going to make a 3D printed magnet. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys do something similar.